The cement factory stores finished cement safely inside large silos, maintaining a continuous supply for the packaging stage.
After grinding and storage, the cement factory begins the final stage by transforming bulk cement into ready-to-use packaged products.
The cement factory packaging line carefully seals every bag, protecting the product before storage and delivery. Automated palletizing allows the cement factory to prepare large quantities of cement with speed, accuracy, and consistency. The cement factory completes the packaging process by protecting and identifying every pallet before storage and distribution.
After packaging, the cement factory stores finished cement safely, while automated systems manage every shipment.
The cement factory warehouse management system ensures every finished product is tracked, organized, and ready for delivery.
With precise inventory control, the cement factory retrieves the correct cement shipment and prepares it for customer delivery.
Before leaving the cement factory, every shipment is carefully checked and organized for safe transportation. After final verification, the cement factory shipment receives approval and begins its journey from production to delivery.
The cement factory completes another production cycle as finished cement leaves the facility for the world beyond.
From the cement factory to regional markets, every shipment connects production with the places where construction begins. At the regional warehouse, cement factory products are received, organized, and prepared for the final distribution stage. The regional warehouse receives cement factory shipments and organizes them for efficient delivery to local customers.
Local distribution systems ensure that cement factory cement reaches customers quickly and efficiently through organized order management.
From regional warehouses to local suppliers, cement factory products continue their journey toward the final users. The final distribution stage brings cement factory cement closer to builders, suppliers, and construction projects.
At the construction supply yard, cement factory cement is stored safely before reaching the final construction teams.
The cement factory journey reaches its final connection as cement arrives in the hands of builders who transform it into real structures. After a long journey from raw limestone to finished product, cement factory cement finally arrives where it becomes part of new construction. The final purpose of cement factory cement is revealed as it becomes the essential ingredient in strong and lasting concrete structures.
Cement factory cement becomes the strength behind every structure, as carefully mixed concrete forms the foundation of modern construction. Through careful finishing and curing, cement factory cement helps create the durable foundations that support future structures.
From strong foundations to rising structures, cement factory cement continues its role in creating the infrastructure of tomorrow.
The journey that began with limestone ends with completed structures, showing how cement factory cement becomes a foundation for modern life.
From the first limestone extraction to the final construction project, every stage of the cement factory works to...
At the heart of the cement factory, advanced monitoring systems coordinate every stage to maintain continuous and efficient production.
Regular maintenance keeps the cement factory operating safely, efficiently, and continuously around the clock.
Modern cement factory systems continuously manage emissions and dust, balancing industrial production with environmental responsibility.
By recovering and reusing heat, the cement factory improves efficiency while reducing energy waste throughout the production process.
Advanced automation connects every stage of the cement factory, creating a synchronized system from raw materials to final delivery.
Continuous digital quality monitoring ensures every cement factory batch maintains the strength and reliability expected from modern cement production.
Final approval completes the quality process, allowing cement factory products to move forward with confidence toward customers worldwide. Once approved, the cement factory production network works together as one synchronized system, ready for the next shipment cycle.
The cement factory never stops its cycle, continuously transforming raw materials into finished cement for the growing needs of the world.
Automation allows the cement factory to maintain a continuous flow of production while ensuring accuracy and efficiency.
With advanced storage systems, the cement factory manages production output and prepares every shipment with precision.
Behind every cement factory delivery,
A coordinated logistics network ensures products reach their destinations efficiently.
Through advanced planning and global coordination, the cement factory connects production with markets across the world.
For international delivery, cement factory shipments are carefully prepared, verified, and organized before export.
Each export container is carefully loaded to protect cement factory cement during its journey across international routes.
Once sealed and tracked, cement factory export shipments are ready for safe transportation to global destinations.
The cement factory export journey continues as sealed shipments move from the production facility toward international shipping routes.
At the port, cement factory shipments enter the global supply chain, ready to travel across oceans and reach new markets.
Loaded onto international vessels, cement factory cement begins its journey across oceans toward construction markets around the world.
Across the ocean, cement factory shipments continue their journey, connecting production with construction needs around the world.
After crossing international waters, cement factory products arrive at their destination, ready for the next stage of distribution.
At international distribution centers, cement factory shipments are organized and prepared to reach construction markets efficiently.
Through a connected global delivery network, cement factory cement reaches construction projects across different regions of the world. From global distribution networks to regional markets, cement factory cement continues its journey toward the places where new structures begin.
Regional supply hubs connect cement factory production with local builders, ensuring materials are available where construction demand is growing.
Through local delivery networks, cement factory cement reaches the builders who transform materials into real-world structures. From the factory floor to residential neighborhoods, cement factory cement becomes the foundation of everyday living spaces. Cement factory cement provides the strength needed to transform basic materials into safe and lasting homes.
Beyond homes, cement factory cement helps create the large-scale infrastructure that connects communities and supports modern life.
From individual buildings to massive infrastructure, cement factory cement becomes part of the structures that shape the modern world.
Every structure tells a story of transformation, and behind many of them stands the continuous work of the cement factory.
After completing a journey across industries and continents, the cement factory continues its mission of creating the materials that build the world.
Behind every cement factory operation are skilled people whose knowledge and dedication keep the entire process moving forward.
While the world sleeps, the cement factory continues its continuous cycle, producing the materials needed for tomorrow's construction.
A new day begins at the cement factory, where technology, people, and processes continue working together to build the future.
As the sun rises, another day begins at the cement factory, where every shift continues the endless.
Every successful production day begins with careful planning, ensuring that every department of the cement factory works together with precision and efficiency. The rotary kiln remains the heart of the cement factory, where careful monitoring ensures continuous and efficient clinker production. After leaving the rotary kiln, the cement factory clinker is cooled under carefully controlled conditions, preparing it for the final stages of cement production.
Organized clinker storage ensures the cement factory maintains a steady and uninterrupted supply for the cement grinding process.
Precise material blending allows the cement factory to produce cement with consistent quality before the final grinding stage begins. Inside the grinding mill, the cement factory transforms clinker into the fine cement powder that meets strict quality standards before storage and packaging. After precision grinding, the finished cement factory cement is safely stored until it is released for packaging and delivery. The automatic bag filling system ensures every cement factory cement bag is filled accurately, maintaining consistent quality and efficiency. Before palletizing, every cement factory cement bag is automatically sealed and inspected to ensure consistent quality and reliable packaging. Advanced robotic palletizing allows the cement factory to prepare stable, accurately stacked cement shipments ready for secure transportation. Protective wrapping and digital identification ensure every cement factory shipment remains secure, traceable, and ready for efficient distribution.
After packaging is complete, the cement factory stores every finished pallet in an organized warehouse, ready. With automated inventory management, Every cement factory pallet is accurately stored, tracked, and ready for immediate shipment whenever customers place an order.
As soon as an order is received, the cement factory warehouse quickly retrieves the correct pallet, ensuring accurate and efficient delivery preparation. Before every shipment leaves the cement factory, multiple verification steps ensure the right product reaches the right customer with complete traceability.
Careful loading procedures ensure every cement factory shipment remains secure and protected throughout its journey to customers.
As one shipment begins its journey to customers, another production cycle is already in motion, showing
From raw stone to the foundations of modern civilization, every stage of the cement factory works together in one continuous process. Every bag of cement tells the story of engineering, precision, and teamwork. The cement factory continues its endless mission,